Alright folks, today we're making black pudding burger, so stay tuned, cause it's time to grill! So welcome to another kick-ass killer burger recipe on 0815barbecue.com. This is German Blutwurst, as we say here. In Scotland this sausage is known as black pudding. I don't know how you call it in the US. Just leave me a comment if you have a different name than black pudding or some kind of thing that's called like blood sausage or whatever. As you can see here, the color is, the main ingredient is blood, but it's really great flavor. So all we need today is, this is a simple recipe. We need beef patties. These are actually seasoned with salt and pepper, nothing fancy here, just ground beef. We put this on our steak griller. You might have seen my steak griller videos in the past weeks. If not, make sure to check them out. This is a great infrared overhead grill with a high temperature. It's able to make about 1600 degrees Fahrenheit, and we are really looking here for a nice crust and some great, as you can see here, really cool. So give it a flip. And now 2 minutes from the other side and our patties are almost ready. In the German part where I come from, the combination of fruit and black pudding or sausage is really famous. We call this dish Himmel and Erd, which means like heaven and earth or some kind of that. So just that simple story. We put the black pudding onto our next grill grate and some sliced apples here. This is a sweet apple, and the moment our patties look exactly like this, we're gonna add some grated cheese here. I used some mozzarella cheese, but you can use any cheese you like, Gouda, Swiss cheese, feel free. So this is really an easy recipe and not too many ingredients here. So next thing we do is we put the grate with the sausage and the apple under the direct heat. Make sure not to burn it. Now this goes really fast. If you're normally not into this kind of sausage, the moment you get it heat up like this and the surface caramelized, this gives a different flavor. It's gonna be a little bit of sweetness in there due to the sugar and the caramelization process. So that's the original speed for the steak griller. I let it on there approximately 45 seconds. Now the black pudding is almost done. You just take it out, but you can give a flip to the apple so this caramelizes and gets a little bit of that golden brown color on the other side as well. So our patties, cheese has already the consistency we like, and this is some brioche bun. If you haven't seen the video for the brioche bun, make sure to watch it as well. We're gonna add some of that pizza sauce I made for the eggplant pizza. This is a video from last week, check it out as well. And now, easy, one slice of apple, your beef patty and the black pudding. So that's it. Please feel free to leave me a thumb up if you like this video. If you don't like this video, leave me a thumb up as well. Comments and subs are always appreciated. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it now by pressing on the red button if you're on a desktop PC. If not, I'll put a link into the video description. Please make sure to share this one. Visit my Facebook and Instagram page. Thanks for watching. I'm out. See you.